Hello everybody, this is the new place. This is the field at the front, about 100 by 100. Butts onto the dam there. This is that same first field up at the front, road on the left, house behind, back down to the dam there, and the second field in behind it, behind that run of bamboo. This is the second field. It's about 100 by 100 as well. Pretty square. And this edge runs along that same dam. Other edge of that second paddock, across the dam to the house, up this field. Neighbours up there in the background. And this comes around to our third paddock, which is a bit bigger, about 150 by 200, and the neighbours are currently leasing it for their horses. Other side of the third paddock, neighbours' horses. There's a small dam there that needs a bit of cleaning out. It's the boundary right up near that tree there. This is paddock 4, bigger again. It's probably 150 by 250, thereabouts. This is the laneway runs up, so the boundary on the east is this creek here, and we've got a bit of a road running up along the creek line that connects this fourth paddock and then the fifth paddock right down the back. Looking back towards the house there. The far side of that fourth paddock, looking back up that laneway towards the house. Those trees there directly in front are another boundary. And this is the fifth paddock, right down the bottom, biggest paddock. I don't think this has had livestock on it for a while. And the fences and that all need doing. That's the eastern boundary right down there on that creek line. There's a dam in the middle there that you can't see. I'll go and have a look. Yeah, this is further into that fifth paddock. You can see this non-permanent creek sort of runs or snakes through it, you know. And at a couple of locations like here, a little dam's been built across where the water pools. Right down the back of that, the fifth paddock, the tree line, which is a creek line, is the boundary. Boundary that way, the south, it's about 200 that way. back along the creek line. That's now facing north. So that along the back end of the property, the northern boundary here, and then the eastern boundary is the same creek as it snakes about. Back on that laneway up near the house a bit more, just show that creek line and some of the gullies and stuff coming back around towards the house. On that dam wall, just round from the house back down towards that creek. Back up at the house. There's an arena. Then there's this tack room, feed shed. This is the northern edge of the place. It's a road easement, probably 20 wide, or probably 200 long. We can't build or anything on that. It's further down that easement, looking east now. The arena's just here.